everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on ostrich. Ostriches are big birds that cannot fly. They live in Africa and have long necks and legs. Ostriches run very fast and are the biggest birds in the world. Their feathers are soft and fluffy, often used for decorations. Ostriches lay the biggest eggs of any bird. They eat plants, bugs, and sometimes small animals. Ostriches are curious animals, often looking around and exploring. They help the environment by spreading seeds and eating bugs. Ostriches are good at avoiding danger from other animals. People sometimes raise ostriches for their meat, feathers, and eggs. Thanks for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe my channel.